for a part 2 of a garden howdy-do from Betty's Kitchen and Garden. Right, here I am at my table. Now, for my dinner today, I had some coleslaw and it made me think, oh, I love a bit of vegetable, especially in the winter. So what can I do to get some fresh veg in the winter? So I thought, I know, I'll plant some seeds. Now, these are a lettuce. And it says sow outside up until August. Well, I think it's still August, so I think we're all right. Now, what we're going to do, though, is we're going to plant it in something little to get it going. Give it a bit of a boost, all right? And I thought I'll use my coleslaw package because I like to recycle things, reuse them first before I put them. Sorry about that. I got excited and choked. Before I put them in the recycling. So what we're going to do is get some of our lovely compost over here. That's right. And I'm going to put it in my little cup. I have washed that coleslaw tray. You do understand, don't you? I've washed that out. So I put a little bit of compost in there. That's it. And I'm just going to, that's it, spread it out so it's like that. So it's about that full. All right, can you see that? That's lovely. Then I've got these lettuce seeds. Now they are organic, which is very good because it means that no nasty chemicals have been used in the growing or making of these seeds by when they were grown before on the last lettuce they were on. So that's lovely, isn't it? So that lovely organicness is transferring itself to your thingy now, to your lettuces that you're going to have here. So what we're going to do, we've got quite a few little seeds in here because lettuce seeds are tiny. They really are small. So I'm just going to scatter them all over like that. I might not even use all the packet because I've only got a little tiny thing with the coleslaw thing. So I'm going to keep them there. And if I get something else, I might be able to pop some lettuce seeds in that. Then I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit more of our soil all over the top there. And I get me water. Oh, there we are. I got my watering can. There we are. Give it a little water all over. Just not too much. I want to drown the little poor little devils. There we go. Little water. There we are. And then what I'm going to do, and this is the marvellous thing about a little coleslaw container, is you can just take the label off because it's not coleslaw anymore, is it? It's lettuce seeds. And then I'm just going to put the lid on there like that. And I'm going to just wait and see what happens. Put them somewhere warm, like a warm windowsill in the sunshine, and then we shall see them grow. All right, everybody, and as soon as they start to sprout, we'll whip that lid off, all right? Okay, everybody, over and out. That's me done for now from my garden howdy-do's. Next thing we're going to do is get some questions answered. So if you've got any questions about cooking, gardening, how to make the best of your seasonal produce or your overload of courgettes, then let us know. All right, through the usual channels. See you later, everyone. I'm just going to find myself a windowsill. All right, try.